In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Amazon Music audio quality. By the end, you'll know how to get richer, more detailed sound when you want it, or dial things back to save data and keep playback smooth on slower connections. We'll use the Amazon Music desktop app for Windows or Mac, since that's where the quality controls are most consistent. Start by opening the Amazon Music app on your computer. Once it's up, look toward the top right for your profile icon. Click that to open a small menu, then choose Settings. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Playback or Audio Quality. On some versions it may be named slightly differently, but it's the place where streaming quality options live. Here, you'll see choices like Best Available, Standard, and Data Saver. Best Available is the simplest way to get the highest sound quality your subscription plan and internet connection can support. If your account includes access to higher tiers, such as HD, Ultra HD, or Lossless, and your device and network can handle them, Best Available will automatically try to stream at those levels whenever possible. That means you don't need to hunt for a specific label. The app adjusts to what's supported in real time. If you prefer to balance sound with bandwidth, choose Standard. It delivers very good audio while keeping data use reasonable, which is helpful on shared networks or when your connection is stable but not blazing fast. For the most efficient option, select Data Saver. This reduces the bit rate, so streams use significantly less data and are more resilient on spotty connections, making it a practical choice when traveling, tethering, or managing a tight data cap. A few important notes for expectations. HD, Ultra HD, and lossless options appear only if your account includes them and your setup can play them back. Some devices or app versions don't expose every label, and that's normal. In many cases, Best Available already handles the switching for you behind the scenes. Also, if you usually listen in a web browser, you may not see the same quality controls. The desktop app tends to offer more advanced settings than the web player. That's all there is to it. Open the app, head to Settings, go to Playback or Audio Quality, and pick the level that fits your situation. Revisit these choices anytime you change devices, networks, or priorities. Enjoy your music the way you want to hear it.